Incredibly, only a year after Columbine, he rapped about planning to kill still more children at Columbine, and as a sign of the times, the media, which claimed to lament what happened at Columbine, hyped Eminem. That Eminem would rap such wicked advice to his impressionable fans is unconscionable. Eminem says, quote, "Some people will say stuff just for shock value, but if I'm thinking it, I'm going to say it. I make a lot of my own personal business public." In his song Role Model, Eminem sings the following.
Follow me, do exactly what the song says. Smoke weed, take pills, drop out of school, kill people and drink. Follow me, do exactly what the song says. Smoke weed, take pills, drop out of school, kill people and drink.
Spin magazine stated that Eminem wrestles with the, quote, ramifications he knows he has on his listeners. In his song I'm Back, he declares, quote, "I take each individual degenerate's head and reach into it just to see if he's influenced by me and if he listens to music. And if he feeds into this blank, he's an innocent victim and becomes a puppet." In the same song, Eminem goes on to declare his desire to go to Columbine and blow more children away. His record label conveniently blanked out the word Columbine to soften the wicked blow.
I take 7 from stand them all in line. Add an AK-47, a revolver, a 9, a Mac 11 in order to solve the problem of mine. And that's the whole school of bullies shot up all in one time.
Eminem said, "Nobody ever looked at it from the effing point of view of the kids Claybold and Harris. I've been that mad."